Miracle Body and Paint has the most 5-star reviews in Texas, and we love to share our customers' feedback. Here is a 5-star review from Carly Waller. She said, "The repairs were very timely. Ram was super helpful and kind. The pricing and quality were great. I would definitely recommend this place." Thank you, Carly, for recommending us to your friends and family. If you're watching this and need a reliable collision repair center, choose Miracle Body and Paint and see why so many people in San Antonio say we are the best body shop in Texas.